Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, they say matter wey they say me papa no ye. Last na papa go settle am. The battle of politics is still going on. For those of you that are interested to hear, make una carry check, carry joko, make una come see wetin dey happen. A lot of people do not know the backbone of yo-yo-yo. A lot of people do not know the person when her chest come out for this efulefu. I laugh in Chinese. Yo eye don't clear. E eyes don't clear. What took me Edoche just 3 months to do? Now the Juju Ekwensu they do for yo. Since 2019, when he do election, we are now in 2026. Make una love us for the laugh. How many years? Oga never fit get any ticket to campaign as somebody. It took me Edoche 3 months after yo say he want to go into politics. The wife back him up. They know they tell man say, see your wife. Now better man wey get better brain. Now they know woman wey won't marry. Man wey get sense. Now they see woman go say, that is the right one. May Edoche correct solid rock. Solid rock. When men they find they go for outside, God carry and put for your hand. Use that through it. Just 3 months. May Edoche do everything. Do you think it is easy to buy tickets? To even go there, say you won't buy the ticket to contest as a governor. It's not a shite play. Yo. They did everything and put in his hand. Oga think say na shite play. They prepared the table for yo. He go carried his enemy. Juju Ekwensu make it come eat for the table where May Edoche prepare. Now God turn the table upside down, scatter yo. Anyhow, my people, things they happen. Now Papa and Piki don't run back to the same people that they betrayed. Not be betrayed, they betray May Edoche. Am I lying? Did they not betray her? Somebody that you said you want to do politics. Just 3 months, woman carry a family. He carry a brother wey be saying a Navy officer. We be saying know the Baba Tinubu and all. He do connection, carry yo. They buy tickets. They give this man. So yeah, the road was so clear. They did not buy fowl. They not carry pigeon go through for inside river. They no carry Fanta go give mommy water wey dey on him with her papi water. They no go give her. Surprisingly, wait. Yo use the hand through everything. You can't carry Juju Ekwensu put for body. A dream wey be say you and your wife sit down, dream and plan for yourself. Say, okay, you want to go into politics, see what we do. You can't carry that dream where you and your wife dream, una plan. You can't carry and go meet another woman. Can't they use that woman till they do the dream for the very eyes of the same woman that both of you dreamt it together. And you say there is no God. If there is no God, there is Amadioha. There is Amadioha waiting for you for the gate of Itenje. My people, now I carry Juju Ekwensu. Since 2019, when you do election, say you won't become governor. He can't even won't go for president. May Edoche back this man. Since that time, since 2019. Now 2026, now we do so. We not hear anything from this man. This man never even see tickets for why. Now they don't know, say, like say whether you go sit down, think in life. I don't know. Now you go call your papa, they cry for your papa, say, he future don't scatter. His life don't scatter. His life don't bend. Say no see hope again. At this point, he want to give up. Now your papa say, why? He said the only thing when he believes, say, he go lift am up na to go into politics, and that dream is being shattered because the way it is now, he don't think that anything will work out for him. He said nothing say anything will work out for him. The only person that stood for him was May Edochie. May Edochie used everything to stand for her. Now he come dey realize a mistake. They say Papa and Pikin come say no. If they say they call May Edochie not dey hear their word again. They say May Edochie not dey listen to them again. Peter Edochie say May Edochie have totally changed. He said the price they sell Messiano skincare, they don't spoil May Edochie. They are always looking for somebody to blame. Does May Edochie be like somebody where person feel control? The way I see May Edochie, a woman that can stand up for herself like this, I don't think she will take advice from anybody. Because anybody where they take advice from people, their life not the better. It's only your father and mother that can give you advice. Not even 100%. Some mother can even still lead their children astray. Person like Juju Ekwensu, they can lead their children astray. Some father can lead their children astray. Person like you. If the children follow your footstep, what do you want there to be? Do you think Daniela will be a graduate today if you follow your papa footstep? You see, I'm saying not be even all papa and mama advice. That person need to think. So people that take people advice, they are not successful because nobody is going to give you the right advice. If they see where they make money, they're not going to tell you. They go they push your head, they pass corner. They don't want to make you know that thing where they know. So, my lovely fans, they say Peter Edochie say May Edochie not the year he word again. No. If he talk to May Edochie go just keep on silent. If he can't answer right, go tell and say that you know they do. Now Peter Edochie say he knows somebody that he will call. And that is May Edochie brother, will be Navy officer. He say he go call that one. He say go call that May Edochie brother. He said then he go call another May Edochie cousin. Will be politician. You know, say as this woman just coded. If to say na Juju Ekwensu get all these family member. Hey! We for no hear what for social media. Juju Ekwensu for the waka for our enemy head for this social media. If she just call, go silent all of us. Now Peter Edochie tell you say go call me Edochie cousin when he be politician. Big person for politics. And me Edochie has never said anything. This woman cut hand for you. Chai. Now they go to call me Edochie cousin. Come call me Edochie brother. We be Navy officer. They come they beg on behalf of you. They Peter Edochie, they come they beg. Aye. May God not let us go back to our dustbin. Abi Juju Ekwensu not get family member when if he stand for you. Why must it be May Edochie? Abi no buna talk am with una ma say May Edochie not get anything to offer. She is nobody. Why back to her family again? Before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. And thumbs up for my video. God bless you. And to my wonderful and amazing subscribers, I can see you all. I love you. I love you. Love you. Love you. Love you all. And may God bless you abundantly. In Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. My people, they carry their bangolo face. Chai. Bangolo face, they take go beg me Edochie. Brother will be Navy. They your fair call that one. Now that one say, what? You know, so those one they be police, soldier. They be like soldier. That one sharp. Navy officer. They strong past the soldier. Now when they say soldier. Now don't see that one where is challenge or wicked. That one a Navy officer, not be soldier. You know, so they say they get action well. They say the moment grandpapa just carry a bangolo face, go, they tell that one, say, my son is trying to go back to politics. It has been difficult. We want your help. Please, we know you can help us just because of the children. Hi. If woman really born for ma, that connection na everlasting. Na everlasting. You see anything because of your children. Where children don't enter, my people, don't be smarty. Where children don't enter, you get leg. Now so the mom, now so grandpapa called they tell me Edoche, elder brother will be Navy officer say, you know, because of the children, anything where you do for their papa, the children will gain for it. They say now that one shout for grandpapa. Oh. Tell grandpapa say make you not try am next time. Make you not try, you go arrest him. How dare you bring that a fulefu couple for a table? Do you know what they did for that man before? Somebody they went to buy a president, they wanted to buy a president ticket for presidential election. Do you know people he called? Do you know where he went through? That ungrateful son of yours. They said, damn me, Edoche brother will be Navy. Tell Peter Edoche, say, make him not try him again. Anything concerning you don't want to hear about it. They shouldn't tell him anything concerning this Efulefu. He don't even know whether una they exist again. After all, if his sister divorced from una, the relationship is over. If children there, what is his business? If they take care of the children, if they talk to the children, at this moment now, when I call her, ask your son what he picking they do. Make he tell you what his children they do now. You don't even know. When last did he see his children? When last did he talk to his children? My people, say Peter, don't you come keep quiet. Now he say no hope. Now the man tell her, say, don't repeat that statement again. Hope for who? Fulefu son of yours. My people, Peter, don't you say and say, they not feel convinced that one. Because, hey, that one, they are war past soldier. And they say, no. But they leave this one. So, Peter Edoche now went to meet Edoche cousin. Go still beg the cousin, will be politician. When they tell her about you, when they tell her about you. Now the cousin of me Edoche tell Peter Edoche say, he don't know you. The person we know na me Edoche. As long as you and me Edoche not there again, he's very sorry. He say cannot help him. Now they beg and say just for him to get a position so that he can able to go for the governor. They say now me Edoche cousin say now here he sit down. When the me Edoche fail carry you matter come give him. It took him just 3 months to buy a ticket and prepare everything for this man in Anambra. He bought the ticket for him. He prepared everything for him. He talked to his friends. He gave him the connection. But what did he pay them with? What did you pay them with? Me Edoche cousin say maybe Peter Edoche not try him again. Say you is no longer part of them. The reason they were helping him was because of me Edoche. As long as me Edoche, they're not there again. They don't know him. They are very sorry. Hey, let's go. Now so they say they abandon you for them. They drop phone. They say Peter Edoche shake your head. You say no open. You will continue to wait for Juju. Juju make you work for your head. Because these people, they don't give their final say. The other one is a politician, one is a Navy officer. They are the only people that would have saved you. But as it is now, these people, they not send you. Wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. You will start from square one. That square one will start so. Now there go start, now there go remain. How can they make you a floor member? After years. See Obi Kubana straight. Hey, wonder shall never end. A woman that stood by you, you have pardoned her. For her own present, you dey chat in jelly. How wicked can a man be? Even devil self, if God won't even help you, devil no go agree. That is how evil you did. If God can say, oh, let me pity this man, devil go say, lie. God, I no go agree me you do am. I no go agree. This man is too wicked person. Because devil don't want me anybody wicked person. He go say you wicked person. You too do. My people, wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.